Phase meter is a module in the AudioTools iPhone app that is used to measure the phase shift or phase angle between any two sine waves. The input signals have to be two sine waves running at the same frequency. Because of this, phase meter requires a two-channel input. This could be iAudio interface as we're using in our demonstration today, or it could be any dock interface or possibly a USB interface. And now we're going to show the setup using iAudio interface. We're going to use as our input source another iPod running the Signal Suite app, which provides us with two generator outputs where we can create a phase shift between the two sine waves. We're going to take the output of the iPod Touch 4 and we're going to use a cable here, and this is an 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch cable, and we're going to plug it into the input of iAudio interface. The iAudio interface will be running in stereo input mode, which is selected automatically by the app. Now, phase meter is on the line input menu. It's the new function here on the bottom of the menu. And it's got a very simple interface. It just shows you the phase angle in a large number. It will show you the frequency that's being measured and as well as the level. Right now there's no input signal, so we're just picking up noise. And we also have a signal generator that you can use if you want the phase meter to be the signal source for your test setup. In this case, as I said, we're using the Signal Suite app. So we're going to set this up, and we're going to use turn on the A output, which is a left channel, and it's a frequency of 500 hertz. And we're going to turn on the B output, which is also at 500 hertz. And there's a place for relative phase currently set to 44 degrees, and you see the app is measuring this as 44.1 degrees, measuring the incoming frequency and the level that's coming in there. Now, for an example here, I could go and change this phase shift to another value, and let's say I use 114 degrees here, and let's see how that looks. And the app goes ahead and measures that 114.1. If we enter a number that is larger than 180, say 220, it shows it in the negative quadrant as minus 140 degrees. Which is simple. It just has instructions on how to use the module, and then if iAudio interface is present, you'll have the line input range control, low, mid, and high range. So phase meter is a great module to look at the phase shift between two sine wave signals that are present. Again, it's not for use with complex signals such as music or pink noise, so it's not suitable for speaker system alignment or other uses that would not be just sine waves. And that's our demonstration of phase meter on AudioTools.